Gerrydee here. When you're looking to set up your system, it's really simple. In fact, in just 3 simple steps, you'll be up and running. Come on. Before you get started, you'll need to locate your existing internet service device. This will most likely be a modem or ONT, which should already be plugged into a power outlet. First, plug your new system into a power outlet. Easy enough. Next, connect an Ethernet cable from a port labeled LAN on your existing internet service to the port labeled WAN on your new system, okay? Once done, your new system will begin to boot up. This may take a few minutes. Oh, pretty! This lets you know that the internet connection has been established. Lastly, once the system is up and running, if your old router has Wi-Fi, turn that Wi-Fi off. And that's it. For more instructions, visit our website. Thanks for watching.